We're going to do a brief video on stock market stocks, LYFT Stock Analysis, and we're looking at a daily chart of LYFT with a green 5-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. And let's go back a little bit. We can see right around here, November 2021, this stock entered the bear market. It's been in the bear market ever since. We can see that for at least from the time it entered in November 21 all the way up to about April of 2022, it roughly followed the 200-day moving average on the way down, and then we had this huge gap here from about 29 to about 22, and the stock continued down and put in a bottom right around this mid-July area at around the high $11 range. We then rallied up sharply to cover or to close this gap that it developed. This excessive gap here has to be closed one way or the other. It's either going to go sideways or go up. We can see the stock in August 8th, on August 8th, put in a high of $21.52, and then continued sideways again. So what we're just trying to do is get a feeler here at this point to see if someone will buy this stock. Very few people bought this stock here. I'm not looking at the volume figures, but it doesn't make a difference. You can see whoever bought it, it just died. Nobody got behind it, and it sold right back down again to these lows at the beginning of September in the $13.77 range. So we have a stock today that's up 5% on about 7 million shares. It's before 12 noon. The stock normally has about 13 million shares, almost 14 million shares, and it's about 7 million shares traded, up 5% at $17.16. So they're trying to get behind the stock. They're trying to push this stock up and get it out of this bear market. Now, in order to do that, it's really simple. You got to get it above the 5-day moving average, above the 20-day moving average, and you got to challenge this 200-day moving average. And that is possible, but probably not until the middle of October when everything converges at about the $24.25 level. So I would say that it's possible the stock could get to $24.25 by the middle of October, but you've got to get some serious support under this stock, and right this second I don't see it. That doesn't mean it won't step in. We've had our bottom in July, we've had our higher bottom in September, and so again we need to get some activity to push this stock up here in the mid-20s by the middle of October. Is that going to happen? I don't know. It's for entertainment purposes only. It's only my opinion, but that's what I see for the stock right this second. Could it break down and challenge these July lows? Yes, it could, but in order to do that, we'd have to get this whole mass under the 20-day moving average, and I don't really see that right this second. It may challenge the September lows and then rally back up and not break this this August 8th high of 21.52. That's possible, of course, but my best guess is you'll probably go sideways a little bit, get some fresh money in here and push this up to the mid-20s by the middle of October. But again, entertainment purposes only. It's all in my opinion. Let's see what RBAM research says about it. Today we put out 190 stocks, 190 plus stocks every morning before 7 a.m. These are out for today. They're buys only, 1, 5, and 20 day. Let's see what it says for LYFT. Coming across here for LYFT, it does not have a buy price on here, which means it didn't think it was a good idea to buy LYFT today, so didn't get that one right. LYFT's up 5% today, but that's all right. You can see it got very few entry prices here today, has a bearish sentiment on the market as a whole. Moderna's out at a buy, and a few others, Huntington Bank shares and so forth, but there's a lot of zeros here today. In general, a reflection of the bear market, of the bear market status of the market in general. You can get all of these every day before 7 a.m. They are algorithmically generated, and they have, as I said, the holding periods 1, 5, and 20 days. And you can get them all at rbamresearch.com. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. There's a link in the description below. You just follow it to rbamresearch.com and sign up for free. They're out every morning, Monday through Friday, before 7 a.m. for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Again, no credit card required, absolutely free. If you like this video, you can click on the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. Please leave us comments in the comment section below. If you like moving averages, if you can't stand them, please let us know that as well. We'd love to hear from you. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, including the entry prices and my commentary, is all for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You should do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.